Alrighty guys, what is going up? Welcome back to the Best Investing Money Management channel on YouTube. In today's video, we are going to be talking about why I just bought more Tesla stock. Guys, I think I'm becoming addicted to buying stock. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but we did buy more Tesla. So we're going to be pretty much talking about what my mindset is going into this purchase. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys get anything in value out of this video, make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe. If you have any questions, make sure you ask them down below. And if you want to learn more about investing in the market, check out my course. I'll put a link to it down below so you guys can learn more about investing. So what's going on with Tesla? Okay, so if we pull up Tesla, you can see here, looking at the quarterly financials, everything about this company looks very good. Okay, so you can see the revenue is up 64%. The net income is up 759%. The diluted EPS, or earnings per share, is up 754%. The net profit margin, a company that wasn't even profitable like 8 years ago, is now having a 13% profit margin. Guys, I don't think people realize how good that is for a car company. That's very good. That's better than Ford and a whole bunch of other car manufacturers. The reason why is because in most cases, car companies have a ton of overhead, but since Tesla pretty much does everything all in-house, it saves them obviously a lot of money, and they make a lot of money. Not to mention, looking at the earnings call, their past earnings, they beat earnings, did very, very well here. You can see they beat it. Revenue side about 6%, EPS another 6%. So looking at the stock chart, you can see on their last earnings, they actually had a massive decline. Now, the reason why is because they did come out and pretty much say, hey guys, well, we're doing very well not deliveries, but earnings and revenue and becoming more profitable, but our cars are getting delayed. We're having a little bit of some supply chain problems, just like every other car manufacturer. But if you ask me, I definitely think that's more of a short-term thing, right? Causing the stock to kind of sell off and immediately bounce back up. Really didn't do much, right? So the mindset that I'm going into buying Tesla right now is one, okay? From the highs, this thing sold off about 25%. So it's like buying it 20% discount from the highs, which is always good. You never want to buy a stock when it's hitting all-time highs. That is the worst time to buy a stock, right? So given it sold off a lot, not to mention, guys, we have this tendency to use this 800 to 950 mark as support. So every time the stock has hit this price, we've just seen a good opportunity for the stock to get bought up, right? It hit it here, got bought up, sold off, hit it here, got bought up, did have that earnings causing that little sell off, bounced back up, started using that 200 moving average line as support again. So for me, really, if you're going to swing trade this thing, you're going to be hopping in at 920, setting your stops, at 13%. But if this thing comes back up to highs, you're looking at about a 25% return. If it comes up to previous resistance, you're still looking at about a 20% return, which is a pretty decent risk and reward. Not to mention, guys, a whole bunch of analysts came out and gave great price targets on this stock. Kathy Wood, of course, you always got to bring up Kathy Wood when you talk about Tesla. Her minimum price target is $4,000 per share. So even if she's wrong by half, if it goes to 2,000, I'm still going to be happy. But I'm a huge Tesla guy. I don't think this stock's going anywhere anytime soon. I definitely think short-term volatility brings a lot of opportunity. But this isn't a stock that I would go if I was a beginner. I want to go super heavy into it. I went super heavy into it a couple years ago, and now I'm up quite a bit. So now when I buy it, I'm dollar cost averaging. I'm buying more shares of this stock to bring up my average cost because I understand that there is a good opportunity in front of me. And I do have an outlook of Tesla for it to be about 2 to 5 years. And we can have this stock sitting at about 13 to 14 to 1500, right in that range. It's just a matter of time before we see it. Tesla goes through these phases where it will have these huge runs and then consolidate for 6 months, a year, and then huge runs, consolidate, maybe a little sell off even. It's very common for these cycles with Tesla. So I understand right now we're sitting on a great support line. All of their finances, all of their numbers look great. Now it's just about holding this thing for the long term, guys. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe. Very easy video, nothing crazy today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We will see you guys later in another episode. And guys, we have news on swing trading course is coming soon. That's all I'm saying. But we'll see you guys later in another episode. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe. Take care.